Hello and welcome to the fall semester of 2020. So this is midterm 1. It runs during the first fall subterm, which starts on the first day of classes on August 29th and it ends on October 21st. I am Miss Brooke Wright. Hello. This is my email right here. If you need to reach me, email is the best. I have it on my phone so I can check it all the time, except I really don't respond to emails after, to be honest, after 8 o'clock. I go to bed early. But I will answer them pretty early in the morning. So if you need to meet with me, just email me. We can schedule a time to meet up. My schedule's pretty busy, so if you email me, we set up a time. That way you have my undivided attention. I will have the excuse me. I have an ETextbook for midterm. I won't have the URL that's going to be hidden from you because if you're using financial aid, you'll need to purchase it through the Academos site, which hopefully you have. You only need the ETextbook. You don't need the MyLab and Mastering baloney that costs several $100s. You just need the ebook. If you and a friend are in the class together and you want to split the cost and use the book together, that's perfectly fine with me. If you can't pay for the book, let me know and we'll work something out. The intro video is this video. It will be linked right here under intro video. This is the syllabus. Pretty straightforward. It's a 1-hour course, so there's not a ton of content for this first subterm. The next subterm, if you're with me for midterm 2, that is a 2-hour course, so it will be about double the material. All this, the catalog description, you're just going to be learning medical terminology. I like to think of it as kind of like a light version of anatomy and physiology. Here's a link for the ETextbook website for Academos. If you're not using financial aid, you might shop around. You might be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. Sorry, that's just how it is. Academos kind of checks the price up a little bit. So the grades, you have term flashcards. These are the easiest grades you're going to get because all you have to do is click through the flashcards. It has a word on the front and a definition on the back. You click through them all and you get 100. It's a completion grade. Spelling practice. So I narrate a word to you and then you spell it. I also give the definition. You have to type out the correct spelling. I recorded all this over the summer, so you might hear my children try to say some of those words. If there's a word that you can't hear or understand, just shoot me an email and I can go in and re-record it. I don't think I've had any issues with that before, though. Matching quizzes, straightforward quizzes, pretty easy. And then you have chapter exams. These are timed because this is a fully online course. I have to have some way to provide some rigor, and so I do that by timing the exams and timing the final exam. Goodness. Makeup work. Extensions aren't typically given, but if something major happens, let me know and I can work with you. All of the modules, all of the chapters are open on the first day of school, and then they can be completed until the close of the, I need to change that, of the subterm 1, which is October 21st. I will say, since everything, including the final, is open, it would be in your best interest to hop on it and get it done quickly. You can take the final the end of the first week of classes if you get to it. So you can work through the material as quickly as you want. Go ahead and get it knocked out. You don't have to wait until October 21st to take the final. Okay, so here is the calendar. I just kind of put these dates up as general guidelines. As long as you stick to these dates, you'll be able to finish on time. Like I said, you can, blow through all the material, get it done by the end of September, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. Okay, I'll hide that because I'm not going to make you pay for that. So here are the different chapters that you'll work through. Oh, maybe I should have worked on the course a little more before I recorded this. So chapter 1, this is just an orientation of the book. Not anything super crazy. The chapter 1, so I have the PowerPoints narrated. My kids also helped me with this. And then here's the term cards, pretty easy. You just, if it'll pop up. Okay, you just turn it, abate, and then there's the definition. And then the spelling practice, so, oh, come on. I know you don't want to spend 10 minutes listening to me go over all this stuff. Well, the spelling practice, it's right here, you click on the speaker, I say a word, this is the definition, and then you write the correct spelling. I have this little bar up here that I can't move. There we go. Okay, and then the matching quiz is pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, any issues, just shoot me an email, let me know. I can work with you to help you complete this course, hopefully early, and hopefully with an A. All right, y'all have a good start to your semester. I will hopefully see you all in class sometime.